Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. You might remember this 2007 Jeep Liberty from different videos which are on this channel. We had some water pump replacement, but today it came for a different reason. And I will say it's a typical reason because those rear windows on many these Jeeps, they just one day fall down in the door and you are basically stuck with that situation. As you can see, this owner dealt with it the way he taped his entire window, which is inside. And in this video, basically, we will be taking off that door panel, and that will give us idea what's wrong with it and which parts are needed to fix this problem. And this door panel removal starts with two Phillips screws. One of them is right here, and the other one is hidden a little bit right here, where is that door handle. So let's take this one first out, right, as I said. I will show you detail of the other area. It's right there, so you just pop this open, right, and the screw it's hiding behind. Okay, I removed that plastic part, and I should be able to remove that Phillips screw. Now I will use my door panel tools to gently and carefully pop off that door panel. You can hear it. Obviously I don't want to break anything, so this needs a patience. And after undoing all those clips all around on the bottom, I should be able to lift the whole door panel up. And there were actually two more clips on the top, which is very unusual. One was right here and here. Now to really separate the door panel, I have to unhook it right here. So I unclip that white thing and I can lower the whole opening mechanism. And it's all separated nicely, and that gives us a nice view of all those clips, right, housing. You can see the speaker, this is that very weatherproof mat, and obviously you can see the clips on the back of the door panel, so that can help you when you wanna remove this door panel by yourself. And that's all for this door panel removal video. Obviously stay tuned, be subscribed, because we will be fixing this problem with this window which fell inside. So if you want to see those videos, stay tuned. Thank you for watching today and have a wonderful day.